Yo, 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 what do you know, Joe? We're back in Blue Tarp Studio B about to unbox a Bronco. Check it out. Great. The Revell Ford Baja Bronco. Bill Strupp and Associates. This is a pretty cool kit. Kind of looking forward to this one. Haven't built it yet. We're going to go ahead and dump it out and see what's inside of it. Some decent little pictures of what's inside the box. A basic recommended paint and whatnot. You know, standard Revell stuff. Part of why I'm doing this is because Revell does not include on the back of their boxes any sort of parts tree. So I'm going to open this up and let you guys get an idea of what is inside. Oh, sweet. Cannot wait to build this one up. And right away, let's get into the manual decals. Pretty standard Revell. Like, once again, you've heard me say this before. I got a brief little history about the truck. You know, there's got a what to do before you start. Don't drink the glue. Don't sniff the paint. Because it doesn't work like that. You have to sniff the glue and drink the paint. Come on, dummy. Always cut towards yourself in a herky-jerky motion. And then your, recommended paint guides, parts list, parts numbers. And this is a level 5 according to Revell's skill level sheet, so it's probably going to be a little bit more detailed. You can tell right away it's a little thicker, a little more stuff. And then, of course, on the back, there's your recommended decal locators and your decal sheet with, ooh, neat, all kinds of little numbers. You can make your own number, you know, if you wanted to be 001 or 007. Neat little, once again, Revell for the win with their decal sheets. Thank you. Saves me a lot of time. And then a bunch of other stuff. Nice little chrome logos. Options of which color logos to use. Pretty cool. Not a huge decal fan, but, I like to use some of them. I'm sure some of you guys will like to use all of them. So, whatever. And moving on, we've got 4 only. But no spare. Race team without a spare tire. Pretty sweet. Nice. I don't see any name on there, but, whatever. You hear my cat meowing in the background. That's Yoda. Yoda the shop cat. Always wants to be involved. Surprised he hasn't jumped up on the table yet. And your chrome tree. Pretty sparse, but it is a race truck. So there's those sweet chrome steelies. Or it looks like you also have an option of stock or hubcaps. Because race trucks always have stock hubcaps. And then, ooh, I can see that right away. Look at that grill. Cutouts. Ooh, that's nice. Thank you. Yeah, again, Revell. Decent stuff. And I don't know about how to find out if it's a new kit, or I'm not that knowledgeable, but I do know that just by looking at it, it looks pretty good. Not a lot of flash. So I'll crack this one open. See what's inside. Ooh. Oh, nice detail on the seats. Mirrors or something. Oh, big stout axles. Very cool. Manifolds. I'm not going to go through each one and identify each part because, that's what you want to do. I just kind of want to give you a basic of what it has. Yep, and there's Yoda screaming and yelling again. Oh, nice little detail on the tailgate, but why is that backwards? Guess that's the interior of it. Nice little motor, transmission, spare tire cover, couple different, no, I guess there aren't any engine options. Ooh, nice suspension parts. Look at that. Very cool. Separate headers, mufflers, I mean, manifolds. I'm an idiot. Parts. Not sure. Well, there's the frame. Nice. Another solid piece frame. Leaf springs. Hood, interior panels, windshield frame. Not positive, but I would guess that the top comes off and on this kit. I think it said it showed it in the picture. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Wow. Nominal flash. Looks really solid, real clean. There's the body with the roof. And last but not least, the clear parts for if you do want to put the top on and put all the windows in. And that about does it for the Baja Bronco. Pretty cool. Can't wait to get this one built up. Thanks for watching.